Celebrating life and organization, exploring Dia de los Muertos, Döstädning, and Hygge. Have you ever wondered how people in different cultures approach the topics of life and death? In this video, we'll explore the intriguing customs of Dia de los Muertos, Döstädning, and Hygge to find out what links them. Dia de los Muertos, also known as Day of the Dead, is a Mexican tradition where families pay tribute to their departed loved ones. Altars are created, marigolds are arranged, and offerings of food are carefully placed alongside photographs and personal items that evoke memories of the deceased. Döstädning, the Swedish method of decluttering, prioritizes clearing one's home to lessen the burden on loved ones after they have passed. It encourages individuals to carefully choose and save their most important things while letting go of excess, honoring your keepsakes. Hygge, a Danish concept, embodies comfort, coziness, and well-being. It emphasizes creating a warm and inviting atmosphere with soft lighting. While these traditions may seem different, they all share a common thread, honoring the cycle of life. Dia de los Muertos and Döstädning both focus on preparation and reflection. In Dia de los Muertos, the living prepare for the return of the deceased by creating altars and cleaning cemeteries plots. Döstädning encourages individuals to prepare for the inevitable by decluttering and organizing their possessions. If you want to reduce overwhelm and create a serene and clutter-free lifestyle, follow these steps to declutter and organize your home using Döstädning and Hygge principles. Start with a vision. Envision the clutter-free and cozy home you desire. How do you want to feel in your home? Sort your belongings. Put like items together. Learn the art of letting go. Donate or recycle items that no longer contribute positively to your life. Create a Hygge-inspired home. Add soft lighting, comfortable textiles, and elements that evoke coziness. Use eco-friendly cleaning products. Prioritize daily essentials. Keep must-have items within easy reach for convenience and comfort. Keep your space tidy. Set up a schedule for regular cleaning and decluttering. By embracing these cultural practices, we can lead more meaningful, cozy lives while addressing the realities of our mortality. So as you consider your own life and how you wish to be remembered, take inspiration from these diverse traditions and embark on a journey towards Hygge, the approach to both life and death. By applying Döstädning, the Swedish death cleaning process, you create a cozy and meaningful life while leaving a legacy that extends beyond material possessions.